The Kidde battery-powered smoke alarm protects your family from the dangers of smoke and fire. It is easy to install and suitable for all living areas. It's powered by a 9-volt battery, providing continuous protection even during power outages. It features a test button which verifies battery and alarm operation. The Kidde battery-powered smoke alarm provides your family with an early warning signal to the danger of fire and smoke. Kidde, peace of mind.
Fire is a deadly threat to any home. It can strike anywhere and at any time. 3 out of every 5 home fire deaths resulted from fires in homes with no working smoke alarms. A fire department responds to a fire every 24 seconds in America. Smoke alarms provide early warning in the event of an emergency inside the home. First Alert offers battery and hardwired smoke alarms. Check what source of power is best for your home. If you are going to install a hardwired alarm, be sure to turn off the power to that area prior to starting the installation process. Install smoke alarms on every level of your home, including the basement and in every bedroom. Alarms don't last forever. Remember to replace smoke alarms regardless of manufacturer or power source. If you don't know how old your smoke alarms are, it's best to be safe and replace. Twist into place until you hear it click. Unattended cooking is the leading cause of fires in the U.S., so be alert while cooking. Finally, be sure to talk about fire safety with your family and be prepared if there is an emergency by having an escape plan and practicing it regularly with your entire family.